Welcome! If you've noticed Telegram's latest update, you probably saw some fun changes around emoji status. One of the coolest additions is the ability to enable autoplay for animated emojis right on your profile. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn that on using Telegram on your PC. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Click on that to open the main sidebar. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all customization options for your account. After entering Settings, scroll down a bit until you see the Advanced option and click on it. Inside the Advanced section, you'll find several extra features that control how Telegram behaves. Look for the option labeled Animated Emoji and make sure it's enabled. This allows Telegram to display emojis with motion instead of static icons. Right below that, you should see the option for autoplay in Emoji Status. Turn this on as well. Enabling this feature means any animated emoji you set as your status will automatically play, making your profile more dynamic and eye-catching. After you've enabled both options, don't forget to click on Save to apply the change.